Creative skills equal cash. You just have to follow the right steps. In this step-by-step guide for beginners, I'm going to step you through exactly how to make money online from your creative skills. So let me start with this. I personally used to get up early every morning and commute to a job I didn't love. Then come home and work on art and music until 2 a.m. in the morning, only to get up and do it all over again the next day. Does that sound familiar? Now I'm a Grammy Award-winning songwriter and producer, and also a visual artist with a BFA in visual communications. But before any of that, I was just a kid writing lyrics and drawing in notebooks. Today, I'm giving you a real roadmap to start making money online from your creative skills. No fluff, no fairy tales, just the truth, step by step. Step 1, accept the dual reality of 9 to 5 and 5 to 9. See, here's the truth. You don't need to quit your job to start your dream. In fact, don't quit your job unless you have a consistent source of income that can support you and what you're responsible for. See, I worked 9 to 5 jobs, regular ones, until my career got going. And those paychecks, they paid for my gear, my tools, and my freedom. They gave me stability while I was building something real. Use your job as fuel, not failure. Fund your dreams. Don't flee reality. Step 2, get clear on what you offer. Now, I know this is subjective, but you need to ask yourself, what's my creative superpower? What's my actual skill? Is it music production, digital art, or branding? What problem does it solve? And last but not least, who specifically will pay for it? See, you can't sell creativity, but you can sell custom beats. You can sell visual art commissions, and you can sell branding packages, songwriting, tutorials, digital prints. The key is to pick something that truly aligns with you. Clarity creates value. Step 3, learn business or get left behind. I'm gonna be honest with you. I was talented, very talented, and broke at the same time because I didn't understand the business side. Now, don't get me wrong. High vibration creativity, as I like to call it, is very important, but it's only half of the equation. I still had to learn how to price myself, brand myself, and speak the language of contracts, negotiate, follow up, and set terms. If you're creative but not business minded, learn or link up with someone who is. As talented creators, we spend many hours becoming good at what we do. Unfortunately, talent alone is not enough. Step 4, build your online presence, simple and clear. Don't overthink this. You don't need a flashy site or millions of followers. 1, a clean page, site, or link tree. 2, a portfolio of your work. You can use YouTube, Behance, Instagram, whatever fits your work. 3, a way for people to contact you and pay you. Make it easy to find you, easy to see your value, and easy to pay you. Step 5, start small and start selling. I started with $100 logos and $200 beats, but small jobs taught me how to deal with real clients. Pick a starting point, offer your service, and set a simple price. You can use platforms like Fiverr, Gumroad, or even your DMs. Sell while you learn, because every dollar builds confidence. Step 6, use social media like a pro. See, social media isn't about going viral all the time. It's about building trust. Pick 1 or 2 platforms, post your process, and show your work. Educate, entertain, and connect. Please don't obsess over likes and comments. Obsess over clarity, consistency, and conversation. See, your next client might be watching silently right now. Step 7, sacrifice comfort for progress. Let me be real with you. You will miss parties. You will miss sleep. You may even feel misunderstood. But if you delay gratification, you will gain freedom. For a time, I gave up comfort so I can build something permanent, and it is worth it. Short-term pain for long-term peace. Step 8, reinvest and repeat. Now, this is a big one. When money starts coming in, don't blow it. Reinvest, upgrade your tools, save for the slow season, outsource what drains you, automate what you can, and keep learning, keep refining. The goal is to build something sustainable. Step 9, build community and give back. Now, this is the most fulfilling part of my journey at the moment, helping other creators win. You don't need to compete, you need to connect, collaborate, mentor, share your story. Creativity multiplies when it's shared. See, if a kid writing songs after work, working regular jobs, failing at business after business, can go on to win a Grammy and build a thriving creative life, so can you. You don't need permission. You don't need perfection. You just need to start and not stop. I hope this has been extremely helpful for someone. And until we talk again, I wish you health, wealth, and freedom.